the back of your chair. Fingerprints still on the glass by the stair. I trace the shape of the space that you took, like reading a line that I already knew. The garden's gone quiet since you walked away. The gate doesn't catch when it swings both ways. I water the things that have long turned to white, holding a shape in the dark of the night. And I call your name into the wind, but the wind doesn't carry it back again. And the tide pulls out slow and cold, takes every word we ever told. I stand where the water used to be, waving at a ship that can't see me. Love, you're a wave that's already gone, and I'm still here waiting for the dawn. Maybe the ocean doesn't know it's only holding what I let go. And the tide pulls out slow and cold, takes every word we ever told. I stand where the water used to be, waving at a ship that can't see me. Love, your wave, it's already gone, and I'm still here waiting for the dawn.